Ever wondered if Airwallex is a safe bet for your international transactions? Let's dive deep. Airwallex, a fintech unicorn, has been making waves in the world of international payments. It offers a range of financial services, including international transfers, currency exchange, and corporate cards. But is it safe to use? Let's break down the key factors to consider. Security measures. Robust encryption. Airwallex employs advanced encryption techniques to safeguard your sensitive financial information. This ensures that your data remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access. PCI DSS compliance. The platform adheres to the payment card industry data security standard, PCI DSS, a stringent set of security requirements for handling credit card information. Regular security audits. Airwallex undergoes regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. This proactive approach helps maintain a high level of security. Fraud prevention systems. The company has sophisticated fraud detection systems in place to monitor transactions and identify suspicious activity. This helps protect users from potential fraudulent charges. Regulatory compliance. Licensed and regulated, Airwallex operates under various regulatory licenses across different jurisdictions. This ensures that the platform adheres to strict financial regulations and industry standards. Transparent fees. Airwallex is transparent about its fees. You can easily understand the charges associated with different services, avoiding hidden costs. Customer support. The company provides reliable customer support channels, including email and live chat. You can reach out to their support team for assistance with any issues or queries. User experience and trust. Positive user reviews. Airwallex has generally positive reviews from users, highlighting its ease of use, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. Strong reputation. The company has built a strong reputation as a reliable and innovative financial services provider. Secure login and authentication. Airwallex uses strong authentication methods, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account. While no financial service is entirely risk-free, Airwallex has implemented robust security measures and regulatory compliance to mitigate risks. By understanding the platform's features and benefits, you can make informed decisions about its suitability for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.